Hello everyone, my name is Cap and welcome back to the channel, another 7 Days to Die Alpha 16 guide. Now I had quite a few people ask me after the last 3 videos where I was showing off how to use the different generators, how to different switches, how to use the different traps and the turrets and all that other stuff, asking me how much heat they generate. And if you don't know what I mean, a while back I did a video showing how the area heat is, meaning how much zombies are attracted to it. If you go into the debug menu, you can see that for a certain chunk, it generates a certain amount of heat. The higher the heat gets, the more zombies are attracted, etc., etc. So I had some people ask me, like, how much heat do these things generate? So I thought I'd put it to the test and see exactly how much heat is generated from these new electrical devices. Okay, so here's how I'm going to test this. I moved to a brand new area of the world that I haven't been to yet in this gameplay to get the heat index down to 0.00%. Now the problem is that with the way it's set up in the game now with this current build, even jumping increases the percentage of heat by 0.05 every time I do it. So trying to find a good spot to set all this up was quite a pain. So I'm going to try this up. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put down each kind of generator and see how much heat it generates. I have the heat thing pulled up over on the far left side. So I'm going to start off with just the regular generator. Put that down just by putting down the regular generator bank. It doesn't generate any heat. Let's try the solar thing. Solar bank. Let's put the solar bank down right here. Works. Okay, that didn't generate any heat. And we'll put down the battery bank. Put it right there next to it. Okay, just placing these down didn't seem to add any heat to the area here, so that's really good. Just by adding them to the world doesn't do anything. Okay, so for this, let's see if I add a couple batteries to this, if it goes up at all. Okay, it seems like just interacting with this, opening and closing it, increased the heat by 0.1%. Let's see if I open this and close it back out. You can see it went up to 0.2%. So just touching things seems to make it go up a little bit more. But by putting things in them themselves, it's not actually going up. So as long as it's not just you doing all the work, basically, as you can see, it's not going up just anytime I add anything to these. So at least that's good. By putting these things out here, they're not generating any heat on their own. That's really good. Okay, to continue the test, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to put down each of the different kinds of traps that I showed off here. We'll start off with the turrets. This is the shotgun turret. I'm going to place it just right here. Okay, placing that down didn't increase any heat. Placing the SMG of the machine gun turret down. That didn't seem to do anything. Let's see, the dart trap. I'm going to place it down right here, facing away, and I'll have it facing up just for now. Okay, placing that up didn't do anything. Okay, we'll put the spinning blade of death down. That didn't do anything. And we'll put in an electric fence. This requires 2 of them, so we'll put both of them in here. Okay, so it seems like putting the things in here, it doesn't matter what you do with them, because I've placed all of these, the new items here, and none of them generate any heat just on their own. So that's really good. Now, okay, just turning on the generators themselves didn't generate any heat. Let's see, what if I wire something in here? Okay, again, having the generator running itself and the blade going didn't increase it at all, so that's really good. The reason why it went up is because I made a little jump noise. That'll all go back down again. Alright, so let's disconnect this. Let's disconnect this to one of the turrets. Okay, no heat going up from there. Let's just keep connecting things and see if it'll go up at all here, because you can connect quite a few things to it here. Let's connect the solar bank with this over here. Okay, so we've got a lot of things going on right here with all the electricity that's going on, and the relays aren't going to do anything. I'm not testing the relays just because I know they're not actually going to do anything. Let's connect that over here. So again, none of these are actually generating heat. So the question that people are having is whether all this new stuff that you can add in with the electricity, the different kind of battery banks, the electrical fences. Let's see here. Let's connect. No. Let's connect this with this, and then this with that. Okay. So now we got electricity flowing between those two right there with no problems at all. It didn't increase it at all either. So for everybody who was kind of curious about having all this power and electricity generating around your actual base with all the new stuff, as you can see, I've got a ton of stuff going on here. I've got 2 turrets, a dart trap, a blade trap, 2 generators, a solar bank going, and an electric fence going over here, and it's not generating any heat at all other than just the heat that I made when I was actually making the noise to put them together. So hopefully that will quench some of people's fears about overloading an area with electricity, causing it to attract more zombies than not. This video is brought to you by TubeBuddy. If you're a content creator on YouTube, I highly recommend this tool. TubeBuddy is a free browser plugin that works directly with your YouTube page, so you don't even have to leave your channel dashboard to use it, and will completely transform how you manage your channel, such as tag rankings to see where your tags rank, and even suggest new ones to improve search results. Use a social monitor to see who's sharing your videos, with advanced scheduling tools, thumbnail generator, and even bulk editing options for cards, annotations, end cards, and video descriptions. You can make changes to your entire video library with a simple few clicks. So if you run a YouTube channel, you should definitely install it and see what it can do for your channel. Go to tubebuddy.com/cap00 to install it for free today. So if you feel I did any of these wrong, or if you think I should have done something a little bit differently, let me know. Or if you found a way to do this differently that you get different results, definitely drop it in the comment section down below, because we're all here to learn. And, I'm not perfect. But hopefully you found this video useful and answered some of your questions. If you have any questions, you know where to put it down below. If you found the video useful, hit that like button, that thumbs up button for me, because I appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe for future videos. Thank you for your time. You have a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later.